Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. Okay, so we got some chicken breast. I'm going to cook this all at once. I'm going to put some brown rice in there. This is Italian seasoned tomatoes, onions. Put some vegetables. I'm going to put some carrots, beans, and all that stuff goes in there. And I'm going to flavor it. So stay tuned guys, I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, the chicken's seasoned. There's the onions, I'm going to be putting the rice, I'm going to be putting in the tomatoes, and some vegetables. And then I'm going to cook it in the Instant Pot, put it on the poultry bun, and I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's ready. It's in the Instant Pot. Now I'm going to put it on the poultry bun, and I'll be back. So it'll be like 40 minutes. I'll be back, guys, and do a quick taste test when it's ready. Alright guys, it is all done. Let's do a quick taste test. We'll just grab something from here. Here's a mushroom. Wow, it has a lot of flavor. You can taste the tomatoes, and these tomatoes were a little bit different than the ones I regularly use. These are already super seasoned, and yeah, it soaks up a lot of that flavor and herbs. Ooh, I know. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.